What's up everybody, this is CryptoBox with another video. I make videos daily about blockchain games and NFTs. Consider subscribing to my channel so you can get daily updates. So in today's video, I want to talk about on how you can calculate your return on staking in these pools. So you can calculate the APR and APYs, and also how to calculate your mining camp stuff. So if you had this amount of hash power, you would see how much amount you would get every day, every week, every month, every year. And then you can calculate that into actual money or in zoo or in key. So it's up to you really. So so let's get started. So right now I am staking in this zoo to BNB pool, and I have a few different pools here. And from what I've done so far is I remember putting half a BNB and half zoo. So I had one whole BNB. I split that into zoo and BNB when the price was around $1.9. So I'll pull out the calculator here, and before BNB was around, I'm not actually fully sure, but we can go back to coin market cap and we'll see what was the price. So I can use my MetaMask to see when did I do the last. So August 16th. So if we go to August 16th, we'll just get some August 14th, August 17th. So this is 16th right here. So I do remember it was around $419. So we'll split that in half. So obviously 419 divided by 2, 209. So let's say you put $209 into the price of 1.9. I have around 110 zoo coins, and the rest is BNB. So I have around like 0.5 or 0.58 in BNB, because I did have a little bit over 1 BNB. So we're gonna go with that. So right now, if I did 110 times by the price right now, 0.5912, as you can see, it is now $65. So I have $65 plus the price of BNB right now, which I have staked around half. So we're gonna go with half. So right now it is 420. So I have around 210, and we're gonna do that with plus 210. I have $275 or around there staked right now. So $275. Keep that in mind. Just make sure you know, if you haven't staked yet, you know how much exactly you're staking in dollars or USD amount. So use that USD amount right now just to calculate on the APR. Now this is estimates only, because as you know, the APR in Zoocoin is always fluctuating, and it either goes up or down, it's unstable or it's stable. So you never know exactly how much is the amount you're exactly getting in that year or day or something. So if I were to do $275 times, so since this is a 4-digit number on the APR, as you can see, I will zoom in real quick by using my zoom tool. So here, don't use the APY. The APY is, I'm not sure why it is broken. I have asked Zoo and they haven't came back to me yet. So we're gonna go with APR, because APR is basically like APY. So APR is 4 digits, so I'm gonna have to go 15.83. And if it was 3 digits, now I'll go let's say 1.583. So right now it is 15.83. So if you were to click equal, you would get around $4,353 at the end of the year. And if you want to see how many keys at this price it would be, since the key price is also always fluctuating, you're not exactly sure, but at this moment, at this price, if it was at the same price the whole year, you'd be getting whatever keys you'd be getting. So if I want to see my daily output of money, I can go divided by 365, and I'm getting about $12-ish per day with the amount of stake, which is $275. Earlier I put around 420, so it has halved because of the zoo token, but it is alright. You don't have to panic sell or panic do anything. So just make sure you know what you're doing. Do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, so take these things seriously. So right now, if you want to see how many keys that would be at this price, you can divide it by the key price, which is 24.19, and I'm getting approximately half a key per day at this price, and with the price of these zoo tokens. Now, if the zoo token were to rise again, I would be getting more return every day. So I'm still on that 1 key per 2 days thing, like I said in my last video, which you can check at the top right now. And so that is how you can calculate on any of these pools. This goes for any of these pools. But if you were like using BUSD to BNB, I'll show you how real quick on how to do that. So I put $275, right? And I times it by the price right now, 64, or the APY, I mean. And you're getting 176 at the end of the year. So then you can divide it by 365, and you're barely getting any money. You're basically getting 50 cents every day from using this pool. So now that is how you can calculate the APY/APRs on these pools. Let's get into the mining camp. So we'll click mining camp right here. And this is really simple. You can easily learn how to calculate on this stuff. So let's say I have 1 hash power, right? So if you go to open calculator again, and I want to see per hash power how much zoo per day would I get at this mining rate right here, if this stayed at the same price and everything. So obviously all you have to do is 36.58, which is the price right now. I'm gonna go exactly what it's saying, and then divide it by 100 hash powers so you can get per hash power. So 1 hash power equals 0.365 zoo per day. Now you can times it with whatever hash power you're gonna have now. So let's say I had around 200 hash power. I would be getting around 73 tokens per day. Now that is tokens and not actual USD. So if you want to see USD, you'll divide it by, or you will times it, my bad. You'll times or multiply it by the price of the zoo token at this point. And so that calculates to around $43 per day with 200 hash power. Now earlier this was around 50 zoo per day. So you'd be getting a lot of money, but let's say it was 45 just to be nice. Then divided by 100, you're getting 0.45 per hash power. So if you times that by 200, you're getting way more tokens. Now you have 90 tokens, and the price before was around $3. So we're gonna multiply that by $3, and there you can see that you will get a lot more money if the zoo token was a little higher right now. And right now it isn't high, it is getting lower and lower, and I'm not sure why, except for relating to the time where Zoo's DApp were actually down for about a day, and they had to transfer their DNS to a different one. And so I think people thought it was a rug pull, like a serious rug pull, after they got an audit by Certic. So you can see the video on is it a rug pull or not, but that is kind of outdated since they've got audited now. So that will be the end of the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Comment what you want for the next video and what game you recommend. Check out all these videos right now popped up on your screen, and also I'll see you guys tomorrow. See you guys later.